Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can delete your Yahoo Finance portfolio. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, open the option of Yahoo Finance. After you do this, you can just go ahead and click on My Portfolio and start creating options over here as well. And you can drag and drop the CSV file from here. So if you don't have it, you can just go ahead and download it and import it. So wondering how you can delete your whole portfolio? It's quite easy. First of all, just go ahead and click on Manage Your Account after hovering around your profile. Just go ahead and tap on Manage Your Profile. So after you do this, just go ahead and swipe over, tap on it, and you can see Add or Switch Accounts. Go ahead and tap on Add or Switch Accounts, and you can see your account over here. Now, if you want to finally delete your portfolio and your account, you can just go ahead and sign out your account, or you can go to account info and completely delete your account. If the temporary solution is signing out of your account, you can just go ahead and tap on sign out. And as you can see, you have been signed out of your account and your portfolio might have been deleted as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.